hello, hello. How are you? This is Els coming from bmascraftycorner, and last week we did this. You know, we made this little kind of weird hidden pocket, kind of in-your-face pocket kind of thing. And the second part of the original video was this here. Now, I'll be honest with you. I've had this for a while, and I tried, there's like, I don't want to buy that machine. You know what I mean? You know, the hot foiling machine. And so I watched a couple of things and, you know, to try and figure out some alternatives to this, like using my laminator, so on and so forth. And I used 4 different laminators and none of them worked. And then I saw this video, which inspired me to do this tag, and the lady did something on there that I thought was fantastic, and so I wanted to share it with you. So, supplies, a tag. This is the one we made last week, and this is the one that I made specifically for this. We have some Spellbinders Paper Arts Glitter Hot Foil System glitter foil, and some deco foil, which is just gold, and this is the one we're going to use today. So I'm going to get a piece of this cut and get out some other basic supplies, and I'll be right back. Right back. All right, so this is it. You need your project, a piece of this heat foil, and the one thing I hate to use, a glue stick, a permanent glue stick. Okay, so here's the deal. So all you have to do is take this glue stick and put a little bit on there. Then you put the heat foil stuff on top of it and press it. You can use a card, your finger, whatever. Tear it up, and it leaves the gold on there. Look. So you can add a little bit of gold anywhere you want. Like I said, you could just use, you know, a credit card or spatula, whatever you want to use. And it just leaves little bits of gold on it. It's easy peasy. I can't even believe that I tried 4 different embossing machines to do this, and all I really needed to do was just add some stick glue. I know, it's terrible, isn't it? All right, so I'm just putting a little glue on there, rubbing that, and then peeling it off, and then do it again, because I want more on there, you know. Put a little over here. Oh, got to use the actual glue end of the glue. Look at that. Look. That's it. That's all I got for you today. If you're new here, hit the button for me. Like me. Ring my bell. All right? Share me. That works too. I got a lot of things coming up, so if you want to know about that, check out the community tab here. Join my Facebook group, link in the description box below. There's also a listing over there, tells you everything that I got going on. Let's see, what else? In the description box below, there is a link that takes you to the video that explains my Projects of 23 challenge. Everybody is welcome to join that. That's pretty much it. I go live on Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, and Sundays. On Sundays, we play games, and on Fridays, I go live twice. One at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. It's 11, 12, 1 across the country. And at 8 p.m., 9, 10, and 11 across the country for Late Night Lunatics. I post videos at least twice a week, so check them out. Until the next time, stay well, my friends. Bye.